to please invoke our anti-camcording law. If we do see someone who is recording any bits or pieces of the film Meet and Greet and Buy, we're so sorry that we will have to send you guys out. Again, recording of anything, any clips is not allowed. But again, we would like to thank everyone and we would like to extend our gratitude to everyone. Thank you so much for taking the time to be here with us to witness the beautiful family drama from Star Cinema. Big shout out to Sir Miko Del Rosario also. Congratulations, Sir. Thank you, everyone. Okay, our cast is now settling down. Again, we would like to thank everyone, and also for our friends who made sure that Gospel Care brought us some tissues kasi for sure daw mag-iiyak tayo for today. Rubisco also helped us out with our snacks that you guys can see in your seats. So for those of you who enjoy the film with some snacks, thank you so much to Rubisco. Thank you as well to Duncan, BDO, Behind Ways, Icon Events Photography, Cat 360, and Road Bar. Thank you so much. The Lopez family is also here. Sir Mark Lopez is also here.
Josh, dito ka, Josh. Josh, abanti ka. Josh, abanti ka lang.
Sina, Dilabasan also here.
JK, job ka.
Santos. Maraming salamat din.
Bel, dito ka kayo na.
Thank you so much.
Sabi ni Kauri.
Sir Roxy Likigan also here. Sir Louie Grada, present as well is world premiere of Meet and Greet. Very excited with this film. I hope you guys are excited as well. As they will teach us to cherish our families, our parents, and listen to them.
Ay, settle down na po.
Okay, to all of our guys who have been here, thank you so much. You can now settle down and find your seats. We will have more time to take photos of our cast and the supporting cast later on after the film. So we let us everyone to please settle down. Find your seats. Maraming salamat po. As it just our official screening of Meet, Greet, and Buy. And very soon, shout out to Jake Hernandez who just did the video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming to our red carpet. Ngayon naman, as you're settling down, you will also like to ask for their message. For our opening prayer to be led by, of course, Team Juan Carlos, Bel Mariano, Fiona Pascual, and our Diamond Star, Miss Maricel Soriano. Again, presenting to you our cast of Meet, Greet, and Buy. The Facundos are here. Okay. Hello po. Hello JK. Hello Joshua, Bell, Papa P, and of course Inay. Hello guys. Thank you so much for being here. Congratulations po. Yes. Ay, okay. Akyat ako. Diyos ko. Guys, part na ako ng questions. Okay. So of course, yes, naka-yellow po ako for today, but congratulations. This is the world premiere of Meet, Greet, and Buy. Syempre, it's time for you guys to greet all your supporters and all of our friends and bosses who are here tonight, starting with Josh.
Pinasa ko ba yun? Hello po, magandang gabi po. Gusto ko pong magpasalamat sa oras na ibinigay niyo ngayong gabi. And gusto ko rin magpasalamat sa Drama Joshua at sa lahat ng mga fans club na sumuporta sa amin sa lahat ng mga mall shows and sa lahat ng mga promos. And ito na, finally, at sobrang excited ako at sana magustuhan niyo po. Para sa inyo po ito. Yun po.
Thank you so much, Joshua. Okay, go ahead, Belle.
Grabe. First of all, I just like to thank everyone. Grabe. Salamat po sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa amin dito. To everyone, sa lahat ng loved ones namin, to our bosses, maraming salamat po for being here. We're so excited for this film. We just can't wait for you guys to see this. And I hope after this film, we just continue spreading love and kindness.
Thank you so much. JK?
Sige. Hi everyone, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Well, actually, we had the whole day to really, I don't know, try to process everything happening, and I feel like standing here now in front of you all, tayo na kinakabahan lang ako, promise. Ay, PG ba to? G? Oh, sorry. Pero seryoso, thank you so much sa lahat ng pumunta dito, and also sa lahat ng mga taong bumubuo para magawa yung pelikulang ito. Alam niyo kung sino kayo, maraming salamat din sa inyong lahat. Para sa atin to. Ayun, mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, JK. Go, Papa P.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Thank you for taking your time to be with us tonight. We're just really honored that finally we have a film, and nagpapasalamat tayo sa Star Cinema sa ABS-CBN, Tita Cory, Chris, maraming salamat sa lahat ng ating mga bisita dito. Thank you for taking your time to watch the film. And we'd like to apologize on behalf of Direk Kathy because nasa New Zealand siya. Of course, she has to attend to some family affairs, but of course, she sends her regards, and also nagpapasalamat din po siya. At sana po magustuhan ninyo ang pelikulang handog namin po para sa inyong lahat. Yun lang po. God bless you.
Thank you so much, Piolo Pascual. Of course, our Diamond Star, Inay, Miss Maricel Soriano.
Tingnan nyo, ganyan mo sila kakakulit. Ganyan kami sa shooting, pinaglalaroan nila ako. Pero tuwa naman ako.
Okay, sige po niya.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat at maraming salamat sa nagpunta at sana po maibigyan niyo yung pelikula namin. Ito pa handog sa inyo ng Star Cinema. Sa mga boss namin, nandiyan si Cory, hi! Natutuwa kami at saka natutuwa mo kami lahat dahil masaya ho namin ginawa itong pelikula ito. Kahit na mo drama, bago mo mag-take, nagtatawanan pa kami. Pero pagdating naman mo ng take, ano yan? Pero pag take naman mo talaga, take na kami talaga. Di ba? Pero maraming salamat po talaga sa inyong lahat. At gandang gabi.
Maraming salamat po, Inay. Again, palakpakan po natin our cast of Meet, Greet, and Buy. Joshua Garcia, Belle Mariano, Juan Carlos, Piolo Pascual, and Miss Maricel Soriano. Let's now have a quick photo op dito muna of the cast only. Yes. Okay. Ayan, compress muna.